Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Audinia Adiastianikma. This is an English assignment. Please describe about bread. My answer: bakpao is a traditional Chinese food. It is known as bakpao in Indonesia because it is absorbed from the Hokkien language spoken by the majority of Chinese people in Indonesia. Pao is baked and bak is meat. So bakpao is baked filled with meat. But the baozi itself can be filled with other ingredients such as chicken, vegetables, sweet sarikaya, soybean butter, atsuki beans, green beans, uh, etc. to taste. Bakpao containing chicken is called keh pao. Bakpao skin is made from wheat flour dough, given yeast to expand the dough. After being given the filling, the dough is left to expand and then steamed until cooked. To distinguish the contents of the dumplings, the metals or vegetarian bases are given a color on top of the dumpling, as well as the other fillings which are marked with a different color. Thanks for seeing the video description. I'm sorry if there is a wrong. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.